Good morning students, welcome back again to our mathematics class. Today I am going to teach you the new lesson, the fifth lesson, fraction. Fraction is a part of a whole, we know that. Okay? If an object divided into equal parts, there forms fractions. For example, see the A4 paper. This is an object, a whole object. Okay, if I divide the object into two equal parts, how many parts now? See, equally I have divided the object and one part and the second part. So now we can say the object divided into two equal parts. So one part is out of two, 1/2 part of the object. And how many 1/2 are here? 2 1/2. 2 1/2 is equal to one whole object. Okay. If I divide into or more equal parts of the object, now we will get how many parts now? Count and tell me how many parts are here now. 1, 2, 3, 4. One object divided into 4 equal parts. So each parts are 1/4 of the object. So 1/4, 1/4, 1/4 and 1/4. 4 1/4 is equal to one whole object. Students, please open your textbook page number 70. I connect part. Shobhit and Mohit are good friends. They study in class 5. Today in the morning, they went to a park and discussed the topic of fractions. Shobhit asked Mohit the following questions. See the questions. If there are 500 flowers in the park and half of them are roses, 1/4 are jasmine and the remaining are marigold, then how many flowers of each kind are there in the park? Students, see the board. How many roses are there? Half of 500 means total how many flowers are there in the park? 500 flowers. And 1/2 means half are roses. So we have to find out the half of 500. 500 multiply 1/2. That means 500 divided by 2 is equal to 250. 250 roses are there. Now, how many jasmine flowers are there? 1/4 of 500. That means 500 multiply 1/4 is equal to 500 divided by 4 is equal to 125. 125 jasmine flowers. Now the next question is the remaining are marigold. So remaining how many flowers are there marigold? That means we have to find out the roses and jasmines total. Roses and jasmine are 250 plus 125, 375. 375 roses and jasmines together we can count, we can say 375 flowers. The remaining are marigold. That means 500 minus 375. That means what? 125 is equal to 1/4 of the total. Means 500. Okay, so the total in total, you can write the answer given in the space, given in the blank space of your textbook. Roses are 250, jasmine 125 and the remaining flowers marigold is equal to 125. Okay, the same way the second question. In the second question, there are total 60 animals are there in the zoo. Okay. Out of that, 1/3 are deer. 1/3 of 60. So how can we find out? 60 multiply 1/3 is equal to 20. And 1/4 are elephants. 60 is 1/4. 60 multiply 1/4 is equal to 15. 15 elephants. And 1/10 are lions. That means 60 multiply 1/10 is equal to 6 lions. Okay, this answer also you can write in the given space. Students, see page number 71. I read. In the iConnect section, we solved some problems related to fractions. Let us understand this concept in detail. When an object is divided into a number of equal parts, a part of the object is represented by a fraction. See the example. The first object divided into two equal parts. Each part is 1/2 of the whole. And the second picture. Each part is 1/3 of the whole. And the third one, there are 4 equal parts. Each part is 1/4 of the whole.
Words to know. Fraction. Red fish. Green fish. Yellow fish. Set. Fractions can name parts of a set. A set is a collection or a group of things. What kinds of things are often found in a collection or a group? Some things found in a collection might be fish, buttons, marbles, and crayons. Let's look at this set of fish. What fraction of the set is red? 2/3 of the fish are red. What does the top number of the fraction show? The top number shows the number of red fish in the set. There are 2 red fish. What does the bottom number of the fraction show? The bottom number shows the total number of fish in the set. There are 3 fish in all. Fractions can show parts of a set. Look at this set. How many fish are in this set? There are 4 fish in this set. What fraction will you show? 3/4 of the fish are red. The top number shows that there are 3 red fish. The bottom number shows that there are 4 fish in all. If the 4th fish was blue instead of green, would the set still show 3/4 red fish? Explain. Yes, the set would still have 3 red fish. The 4th fish can be any color except red. Now you know how to describe fractions of a set.
In Jenny's garden, 1/8 of the flowers are red, 1/4 of them are purple, and 1/5 of the remaining flowers are pink. If there are 128 flowers, how many flowers are pink? Let's start by finding out the number of red and purple flowers in all. 1/8 of the flowers are red, 1/4 of them are purple, that is 1/8 plus 1/4 is equal to 1/8 plus 2/8 is equal to 3/8. So the total number of red and purple flowers will be 3/8 multiplied by 128 is equal to 48. There are 48 red and purple flowers in all. We need to find out the remaining number of flowers, so we minus 48 from 128, that is 128 minus 48 is equal to 80. The remaining number of flowers is 80. 1/5 of the remaining flowers, that is 80, are pink. So 1/5 multiplied by 80 is equal to 16. Therefore, there are 16 pink flowers in Jenny's garden.
Students, today's class is over. Today's homework, italic sections, questions, answers. Do in textbook only. Thank you. Have a nice day.